Welcome back to my NTG video. In today's video, I want to show you how to register for those of you that are brand new to NTG. So very quickly, when you click on my link should be appearing like this for you. Okay, in this video description, or if I have sent it to you, this should be my referral link. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. This is the account registration page, and clearly you can see that it's asking you for your first name, last name, username, select your country, enter your correct email address, and then enter your password, confirm your password. Now remember, when you are entering your password, make sure you select a very strong password. Okay, so you can use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. When you click on my link, make sure you confirm that who invited you should be laptop. That is what is going to show as the person that invited you. Okay, so once you finish completing all of this information here, the next thing you will do is to swipe this to right hand side to confirm, and then you click continue. Now when you have done this, you should be able to register successfully. When you complete the whole registration page, it should look like this, right? Your name, your surname, your nickname or username, and then you select your states, and then you enter your email. You choose your own strong password, and then you slide from left to right, and then you click continue. Okay, once you've done that, you will now be able to register. So the next thing for you to do is to redeem the $50 gift loan that I have given to you. Okay, now my gift loan code should be like so, and it should be on the registration link as well. Okay, step 1, register. Step 2, redeem your gift loan. Okay, so the company is giving you $50 to begin this platform. This $50, after making profit, you will return it back. But let's not get to that yet. Let's just get you to redeem the $50 to get you started. So copy this code that I have dropped in the description below. Okay, then go to your cashback. You click on your cashback on your left hand side, and then select get a bonus. And then inside this box where it says welcome bonus, click into that box and paste the $50 bonus code in there. Once you have pasted it in there, you click get a bonus. Once you hit get a bonus, your account will be credited with $50. That will get you started. However, I recommend you add your own money, because using the company's gift loan, $50 gift loan, will not be enough to make you the profit you are looking for. This is just to get you started. Okay, so after you have redeemed your $50 gift certificate, what you then need to do is to wait for 48 hours and activate your robot. Okay, so how do you activate your robot? You must make sure that your $50 gift certificate is in your ADV balance, as you can see here, right? Although it is $100 that is showing here, but in your own case, it will be only $50 because you have just redeemed the $50. Now, this ADV balance, the money that is there is going to move over to your advertising budget after 48 hours. Okay, this is your first time you're registering. This is the first time you are activating and redeeming your gift certificate. Okay, if you have deposited a minimum of $50, the money will also be sitting there. For example, this account redeemed the $50 gift certificate and also added their own money, their own $50, making it $100. So after 48 hours, this money will move over from here to your advertising budget and you will be able to activate your robot. Now, the next question is, how do you activate your robot? It's easy. After 48 hours, log into your account and click on My Advertising. When you click on My Advertising, you scroll down to the bottom right. You will see the button that says Activate Your Robot. Just click the button and activate your robot. But you must make sure that it is 48 hours and that your money that you have deposited or your $50 gift certificate is already moved over from your ADV to your advertising budget. Then you will come back here and activate your robot. Simple and short. This is how to register, redeem your gift certificate, and then activate your robot. 3 simple steps in one single video. Welcome to NTG. Let us enjoy this profit that we are making on automated advertising platform. Now remember, after your first 48 hours, the subsequent activation will be every Sunday, as you can see from here. Okay, you must activate your robot every Sunday after your first 48 hours if this is your first time of registering. Thank you guys. If you are looking to join this platform, the link to do so is below this video description with all the steps. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.